Hi, Latasha. Okay. Thank you so much for making these changes. And I'm sorry about the issues with the videos. That was just, boy, what a nightmare that was. It took me half the night to figure out what was going on, but I finally did. So obviously you've looked at the video. So I'm really glad you were able to get those viewed and employ some of the recommendations, which work very well. This is a gorgeous piece, Latasha. You've done a fantastic job. I'm so glad that you decided to go with this color scheme as opposed to the other one. This is a gorgeous piece. Nice typography. I think it's fun. I do. I think this typography, that not only the typeface but the composition as well, the layout. It's fun, and the little twist right here, that type on a curve, that kind of a wave effect. That's just really a nice touch. It's not overdone. The restraint is remarkable, and I think it adds just enough without overdoing it. Indicates fun, light-hearted, leisurely, informal fun, and I think that's fantastic. Gradient background looks great. Love the gradient behind the bowling balls. I think the decision to change the bowling balls to black was a good, solid choice. Really increases the contrast, emphasizes the focal point, and adds a wonderful dimension of depth to the composition. So that's fantastic. And just so you know, this is still a harmonious color palette. So even though you've got this brown, this kind of these browns and this kind of neutral color palette, black and white are harmonious with any color there is. And the reason being is because, a pure tint of any color is white, and a pure shade of any color is black. So any color in the color wheel you can pick, and you can gradate that. You can gradually go from that parent hue to white by adding more white until you get to pure white, or that's called a tint, or shades is when you add black, getting darker, darker, darker to pure black. It doesn't matter. They're all perfectly harmonious with one another. So white, and the thing to remember from that is that white and black are harmonious with any color, any hue, any value. Black and white are harmonious, okay? All right, so I don't have any further recommendations. I think this is just a really, really good job. And you worked hard on this, and it shows. I mean, it's fantastic work, and you should be proud. I am. Okay, great job. Questions at all, please let me know. Thank you, Latasha.